The installation of a perimeter security system is effectively managed by unique approaches to document control, project reporting, scheduling and estimating, and systems optimization. All project documents are digitally housed in a secure server and accessed via username and password credentials. Team members can also access documents in the field with a tablet or mobile device, ensuring that field personnel have access to the most current project documents, drawings, and schedules when they need them. Consistent and comprehensive reporting is mission critical for a successful project. Our team generates a daily engineering service representative report leveraging BIM 360 Field in a field-deployed tablet device. This report identifies daily project conditions such as weather, current construction activities, number of workers on site, production observations, and existing or potential issues. Photos and descriptive summaries of the observations are attached to a project site map to provide clarity and proper documentation. Each of the observations is assigned to the proper contractor for follow-up with due dates. This level of documentation and follow-through during the project lifespan helps the project team to achieve a zero-punch punch list at the end of the project. The 3D design model can also be leveraged during construction by syncing the 3D model with embedded cost data and a project schedule. This allows the team to visualize job sequencing and understand the burn rate of cash throughout the lifecycle of the project. This provides accountability for the installation to ensure that timelines and budgets are met. Lastly, our team of commissioning experts ensures that all systems are optimized to work together and perform according to original design intent.